Hi, I'm Nola Bloom, and I'm so glad you're here. This Ayurvedic head massage training is a beautiful hands-on experience where you will learn how to give a deeply nourishing massage for the head, neck, and shoulders. This training blends ancient Ayurvedic techniques with the soothing use of oils and aromatherapy, creating a calming and deeply restorative ritual. Ayurvedic head massage helps melt away stress, calm the mind, improve sleep, and nourish the scalp and hair. It's as restorative for the giver as it is for the receiver, a true practice of presence and care. This course is perfect for yoga teachers, massage therapists, wellness practitioners, and anyone who loves healing touch. You don't need prior experience. I guide you step by step in a supportive, small group environment. If you feel called to learn Ayurvedic head massage, I would love to welcome you to a future training. You'll find all the details and my contact information in the description below.